Are you having a hard time figuring out what your audience wants? Maybe you're trying to build web pages, blog posts, or even YouTube videos, and you're not really sure what you should be saying. You don't really know. You try some things, but you don't really know if your audience will really connect with what you're writing. Today I want to share with you a course called 7-Figure Copywriting by Arman Assadi, which I think might really help you figure out what your customers want and really give you a boost in your internet marketing campaigns. Today I'm going to give you my honest assessment of this course and help you figure out whether or not this course is for you. So this is a complete copywriting course. It's designed to give you everything you need to write video sales letters, write written sales letter, web pages, webinars, everything copywriting, even emails. As such, you'll get everything you should expect from any beginner copywriting course. You'll get all the techniques and frameworks you need to learn in order to create really good, solid copy and get to write persuasive texts that get customers to be interested in your products. You get great tips on how to create killer headlines that make people want to click on them. It also gives you a really cool step-by-step framework on how to create copy step-by-step and always know what you should be writing next so that you're never stuck with blank page syndrome ever again, and a lot more. So yeah, even if you're totally new to copywriting, this course will give you all the tools you need to get started as a copywriter. But really, that's not why you should be interested in this course. Here is what makes this course really stand out. This course goes really in depth into customer research, which I think is the one key element most copywriting courses are missing. Because copywriting isn't just about using the right techniques and using the right frameworks. You shouldn't be trying to sell a cat to someone who's looking for a furry animal by telling them that they should get cats because they make cute sounds. If that person just doesn't care at all about cute sounds, it will not make them want to buy a cat. People get interested in products not because they have a lot of cool features, because these products get to solve one of their deep desires. If they aren't looking for cute sounds, but they care about fur that's fun to touch, they want to have something that's furry and fun to touch, and your goal is to sell them a cat. Don't tell them cats make cute sounds. Tell them cats have smooth fur and they're fun to the touch, because that's what they're looking for. Look, it's simple. If you want to sell products, you just need to figure out what people are really looking for and showing them that your products will provide them what they're looking for. Don't try to make copywriting and marketing more complex. It's just about solving people's problems. And look, it might sound simple and obvious, but look, I've watched 7 other copywriting courses so far, and none of them has taught this concept as deeply and thoroughly as Arman Assadi's 7-Figure Copywriting course. I will even say that none of these other courses had taught this concept well enough for me to actually have been able to do that effectively before I watched Arman Assadi's copywriting course. But should you buy it? Is it for you? Look, if you watch this course all the way through, you'll get all the tools you need to write good copy. You'll be able to make amazing marketing text that will make people want to buy your products and be interested in your content. This could be the key that will unlock the next stage of your business. It might make you able to quit your job and everything. But I understand that $297 might seem a bit high. I understand that. But regardless of the steep price, I'm going to tell you that this course is worth it, is worth every single penny. Even if you see that price as high, you should get it. Here's why. Let's do quick math. Even if because of some sort of big natural disaster or another huge event that's entirely out of your control, that makes your business fail so hard that there's nothing you can do to build it back up, you'll just lose your business, period. Even if that happens. With the copywriting skills you learn in this course, you will be fully equipped to start taking contracts as a freelance copywriter. And it's not unheard of to get freelance copywriters to make $50 an hour on their contracts as complete beginners. At that wage, even if you just work 6 hours a day, that's $300 US per day. That's more than a lot of people make at minimum wage working full-time in a week. If you just work one day as a freelance copywriter, you'll pay back your investment of $297 and you'll be left with $3 extra with which you can buy a coffee or something. The value here is insane. And let's face it, if you want to be effective at internet marketing, you need to learn how to write ads, how to write good marketing text, web pages, and everything. Copywriting is a must. So unless you're already really good at copywriting and at customer research, or your business really doesn't require any of them, I think you should get it. If you're interested, you'll find a link in the description where you can check it out. If you do decide to buy it, there's a button at the top right of the page where you can click on it and get to the checkout page directly. I'm sure you'll like it. I really liked it a lot, and I'm sure you'll like it too. If you have another course you want me to check out, just write it in the comments down below. I'll be really happy to take a look. With that said, thanks a lot for watching, and take care.